Okay, folks, this is DDK Recipes and author Johnny. Now, this is the finished version of the shrimp pasta salad, Diva's shrimp pasta salad. It came out quite good. And you don't want it to taste fishy, and you don't want it to be too dry. But it's got to have a little punch, and it's got to have that right consistency. So when you're making pasta salads and potato salads, it's a tasting process. You have to taste them while you're making them, because you're going to have to probably add more mayonnaise, more this, more that, maybe a little bit more vinegar, maybe a little bit more onion. You know, whatever, that little bit, you've got to keep on tasting until you get it just right for your palate. My recipe is just a guideline. It always needs the little extras. So you put your little extras in it, your little twist. That's what I tell you, Twisted Sister recipes. You can twist my recipes. You can make them fit your style, your way of eating, your way of tasting, your recipes the way you want them to taste. So that's why you buy my recipe books, and then you go crazy, girl, with your creativity, okay? So this is this Diva's shrimp cold pasta salad, okay, made with penny pasta. That's number one. We're gonna go over here to my table. And this is where I finished the potato salad. Again, I twisted it, my own recipe today. I added the sweet bell peppers, the shallots, and I added a little red pepper to my recipe, okay? So I twisted sister my own recipe. This is what it's all about. This is the perfect consistency. It's not too dry. It's not too wet. You don't want wet potato salad. That would be like eating mush. And we're not babies, so it's got to have a nice consistency. But I had to twist it, and I had to add a little bit more mayo, and I had to add a little bit more cream, half and half. See? So, again, even me, I have to twist and twist till I get it right for me. Again, my recipes, DDK Recipe Books. What's my dinner? They are being sold at Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo and Flicker Meat Market in White Bear Lake. They're also you can buy them directly from me. My digits are 612-859-3270, or go to my email at divadish67@gmail.com. Again, divadish67@gmail.com. Either which way but loose, you can find me, baby. Gotta go. Bye now.